All right, so physio massage today. Physio massage. What's the difference between physio massage and all those deep tissue Swedish massages? They never do those steps what we do in physio massage. Physio massage, it's most important. It's intake. Intake. The first level. The first step, is to learn the clients, who your client are, and what's his goal. Okay. If it's healing, you do healing. It's not just for physio massage. I think it's for every massages. But massage therapists, they ignore those steps and they not get so popular. The client not back because, like I said, the clients wants to understand you worry about him. You want to learn more. You don't want just like, hey, how you doing? Yeah, lay down on the table. We just do massage and the client left. He's not coming back. Only if you got super low prices and good hands, maybe. But like I said, you're not gonna make good money. Low prices, it's not mean well. It's not mean good. So intake. I'm all worried about my client. I ask a lot of questions, why he's here, how I can help this client, and try to identify it in next step. That's why I learn assessment. To assess the body, to find those problems, those issues. It could be just mechanical, like, I don't know, my hip is out, my hip is not working, and that's why he's pain. Or everything is working here, maybe the person's just in stress, and this is completely different story. Like I said, this is steps for not just a physio massage, for every massage therapist. Next one, so assessment, identify the issue. Next one, it's a treatment. The treatment, whatever you learn, whatever you think is best for these clients. I do physio massage, so I do my most manual therapy, check all those condition of a person. If you're a healer, you start do healing work. Like I said, it's your technique, it's your skills, it's your focus technique. The next one, the next number 4, it's a reassessment. I want to see how my clients feel after my work. I don't want to let my client go just say bye-bye, drink water. He's not gonna be so excited about this treatment. You will need to talk. How do you feel? Let's see the difference. For me, if, like I said, physio massage, your hip wasn't working. Let's see how this works now. Is that better? Oh yeah, it's better. Your shoulder is turning better. Yeah, my neck is turning better. Yes, it's turning better. Are you relaxed more? Yeah, I'm more calm down now. I'm more breathing. And that's what you put this in the clients. You did something good for these clients. If you, like I said, say bye-bye, and the person just step outside because you don't have time, you have to change the sheets, another clients, or you have something other in mind, you always have to finish those steps. And number 5, it's create a plan for these clients to let them know his options. Your options is come back like twice a month, once a month, to keep that problem maintained. And I'm the person who can help you. And that's what you create that plan. You might do some, membership, subscriptions, and the person is going to come back to you because you create a plan, and that's what people like it. If you let them go without the plan, it's not going to work. Like I said, he might remember about you when he experienced pain again. Like, oh, I got the pain. What's the name of this girl? Oh, I don't remember. It's like happened to me. The person call and say, I want to book massage. And I say, you want to book with Jay or David? And he said, David. And when person shows up, the David shows up because I'm Jay. It's a different person. He like I said, he don't remember my name. He just remember how I look like. That's I probably didn't follow up with him, but that's fine. So when he shows up, he's like, oh, that's not the guy who's supposed to do massage. And it was kind of a little bit awkward. So always let the client know and put him on that plan. Put him on the plan so he's come back and he know the time when he's come back. You reschedule it, you put it on a calendar, and that's the beauty of this thing. So that's what was the physio massage and how's it different. I would say with other massage therapy, but if you follow those steps, step from 1, 2, 3 to 5, you're always going to be busy. You're always going to be, like I said, more professional and look professional. And that's the goal. All right, so PSOS. Today is going to be PSOS. Do you want to go, girls,